This is the blueprint he used, broken down for you to understand. Musk doesn't start with a product. He starts with a problem that affects millions or even billions of people. Step 2. Become technically dangerous. He dives deep into physics, manufacturing, software engineering, and product design. You can make faster, smarter decisions and identify first principles, solutions that others miss. You don't need to be the world's leading expert in everything, but you must learn enough to be technically proficient. This knowledge is your armor. It allows you to lead from a place of credibility, not just authority. Step 3. Build a real product, fast. Grand visions are inspiring, but they're worthless without a tangible product. Zip2 wasn't a global directory overnight. It was a simple online guide for businesses. PayPal started as a basic money transfer service. The lesson here is that action beats perfection. Get a minimum viable product, or MVP, into the hands of real users as fast as possible. Step 4. Own equity, not salary. As a founder, he retained significant stakes in his companies: Zip2, PayPal, SpaceX, Tesla. His wealth didn't come from a paycheck. It came from the soaring valuations of the companies he built. Ownership is the engine of wealth creation. Musk is a master at raising capital, but he does it strategically. He doesn't just take any money offered. You don't offer them just a job. You offer them a mission. A powerful mission acts as a filter, attracting passionate, driven individuals who are willing to pour their hearts into the work. Why does SpaceX manufacture its own rocket engines, structures, and electronics in-house? This is vertical integration. This strategy is more difficult and capital-intensive upfront, but it provides an incredible long-term advantage. Step 8. Embrace an extreme work ethic. There's no way to sugarcoat this. Musk's success is built on a foundation of relentless, almost inhuman, work. While this level of intensity isn't sustainable or desirable for everyone, the principle is universal. You have to lead from the front. By being directly involved in the details, making rapid decisions, and demonstrating an unwavering commitment, he sets a standard that permeates the entire organization. Tesla does. How many private companies are global household names? SpaceX is. This is no accident. By making himself and his missions the center of the story, he generates a continuous stream of interest and excitement. He reinvested his gains into new ventures like Neuralink and the Boring Company. The pattern is clear. He continuously recycles his capital and his focus into the next world-changing problem. This continuous cycle of solving, succeeding, and reinvesting is what compounds his impact and his wealth over time. Solve big problems, take big risks, and own the results. You may not be the next Elon Musk, and you may not want to be, but you can use the same mindset. You can choose to think bigger about the problems you solve. The future doesn't just happen. It's built by the creators, the innovators, and the ones who dare to take on the biggest challenges.